Hello folks, welcome to another video. So today in this video actually we are going to see cross-site scripting folks. So before we start, I want to request you guys to subscribe this channel. Many of you are seeing but not subscribing, but please support me and subscribe, and please give your feedback also in the comments. I will be very much happy to kind of give you the videos that you require as help. Also, I wanted to say that most of the people like want me to do entertainment, but I want to stick with education because that is the reason I started this channel. So I'm going to stick with it. So moving on, guys. So let's see how cross-site scripting works. So cross-site scripting is a vulnerability where we are able to inject scripts into the web page that we are viewing. So the web page that we are actually seeing is from the server. Actually, the server sends the data, and the data is actually parsed into a website, mostly HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. JavaScript is for scripting, and HTML is for the structure, and CSS is for the design, like colors and fonts, etc., to make it more attractive. So you see, when the content is received here, we can actually inject scripts into this web page also. So that is very straightforward. We can actually inject this any script in web page, but when it goes back to the server, again when it comes, it will not reflect to us. So that's how normal web page works. Okay, but we are going to see something called as reflected cross-site scripting, where it will actually show us, for example, we will inject something into the web page, and that injection will go into request, and based on that request, when the web page or the server processes it and produces the output, then this reflected cross-site scripting occurs, and it only occurs once. It will not occur more. There are other types of cross-site scripting also. There is like stored was there, and other types are also there. So we will, going forward, we will see how it works. So in order to do that injection, I will start to see. So this is the payload. This is just a script tag, and with a code alert of 1, it will alert create an alert box with 1. So what we are going to do is we are going to inject it here. Okay, search. So that web page got expired, guys. That's why. So you see, I have generated another web page. Here you can see we will try to inject this piece of code. You can see this is the piece of code that we wanted to inject here. So when I do that, and as you can see, an alert box of 1 has been created. I can do it in another way also. Like I'll go back once again, and I'll do it instead of this, we can inject here also. We can get this, and we'll try to inject it here. That will also work. So actually it works. So we will see how it actually works in the backend. Okay, so you can see in website. So this is the header that we have sent. I'll just show you, like, this is the response, this is the request. Okay, so I'll go here, this one. So this is the request, and as you can see in the search parameter, this total script injection is happening here. And when you go to the response, and if we search for the word script, and as you can see, whatever the input that we gave, it processes the output based on the input that we gave. For example, when we give something in the box, and it will show like 0 results for the word you typed or something like that, and based on that, it's giving the output. So that way, based on the user's input, if it gives the output, we will be able to do script injection here. So next time we will see another type of script injection, or a different type of script injection, and more labs upcoming, guys. And thank you for everyone for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Looking forward to you in the next video.